Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's report of the endless news coming live from the world of the Qur'an, the only verse of the Qur'an where Allah explains the 4 rivers of paradise is analyzed. The report begins by stating the fact that there are a lot of verses in the Qur'an that say tajri min tahtiha al-anhar, which shows that rivers flow beneath the gardens of paradise. But the only verse which explains the 4 rivers is found in the premises of chapter 47. That is Surah Muhammad. In its verse 15, Allah says, مَثَلُ الْجَنَّةِ الَّتِي وَعِدَ الْمُتَّقُونَ فيها أنهار من ماء غير آسن وأنهار من لبن لم يتغير طعمه وأنهار من خمر لذة للشاربين وأنهار من عسل مصفى, which means the description of the paradise which the pious are promised is that in it are rivers of water, the taste and smell of which are never changed, rivers of milk of which the taste never changes, rivers of wine delicious to those who drink, and rivers of clarified honey. Having seen that throughout the entire Quran, there seems to be no any other verse which explains the rivers of paradise more than this, the analysis of the report continues. When the chapter number 47 was divided by the verse number 15, the number 3.1333 to infinity was gotten. Upon checking our answer in Surah Al Imran, that is chapter 3, verse 133, a surprisingly related content was stumbled upon. The verse goes, وَسَارِعُوا إِلَى مَغْفِرَةٍ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ وَجَنَّةٍ أَرْضُهَا السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ أُعِدَّتْ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ, which means, and march forth in the way which leads to forgiveness and for paradise as wide as the heavens and the earth, prepared for the pious. It's quite amazing how the first verse describes the internal aspect of paradise by explaining how the 4 rivers of its gardens are, whereas the second verse speaks about the external aspect of paradise since it states its surprising size. The report also points out the additional connection of the 2 verses in that the second verse starts by enjoining us to strive and struggle for the paradise described in the first verse. After seeing how the creator of the universe calculated the locations of these 2 uniquely related verses, one is left to wonder if there is any book in the entire universe that is as mathematically baffling as the Quran. We leave this question to you until we meet in the next report from the endless depths of the Quran regarding verses of scientific or mathematical significance. Before then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.